We'll guide you through how to create a new Gmail email account. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason you're wanting to make a new Gmail email account, we're going to walk you through this step by step, so make sure you watch this full guide to know exactly what you need to do. You may already have a Gmail email account at the moment, or you may not. It doesn't matter, we're going to walk you through it. So having a Gmail email is really convenient. It's a really great inbox and it's one of my favorite email providers. And when you go and have a Gmail account, this means you've got a Google account as well. So you can go and access the other Google services, which is great. Like YouTube, Google Contacts, Google Meet, they're all going to be within this account. So we're going to walk you through this. If you haven't currently got a Gmail email account, then what you want to do is come to Google. You can go to the top right and there'll be a sign in button. You want to go and press there and that will bring you to the login page. Now just wait as I'll guide you through if you do currently have one. If you do currently have one, you can do this from Google or from Gmail. Press your profile icon in the top right. If you currently have multiple on this account, you need to press show more accounts and you'll find the add another account button. If you just have one here, you'll find the add account button you can then press. And then you're going to be brought to the sign-in page. So now we should all be at the same point, whether you currently have a Gmail email account or not, we're on the sign-in page. What you need to do is go and locate the create account button. As you can see, that's just down here. Hover over it and you can go and click on it. Now we've got some different options for creating it. So you can go and press for my personal use, for my child, or for my work or my business. So you can go and choose who you're creating it for. We're going to be focusing on a personal use and we can then go and create our Gmail email with this. So we're going to go and click here like so. So to get started, you need to go and enter in your name. You can see here it does say create a Google account. As I said, a Google account is what Gmail is. It's all a part of the same system. So enter in your first name there and then your surname. So I can go and type mine in. That is actually optional as well. You don't have to. So I could just have Rob and then you can press next. Then you need to go and enter in your basic information. So go and enter in your birthday and then your month for your birthday and the year as well. So you do need to go and be at least 13 years of age or older to go and have a Google and Gmail account as well, by the way. Then we can go and press gender. I'm male, so I'll press that there, but you've got other options if they don't match your needs. Then you can go and press next. Now we're going to be choosing our username. So this is going to be your Gmail email address. So what we can then do is go and type it in. It's important to note this has to be unique. So for example, let's say I wanted to have Rob. That's not going to be available. If I go and press next, it will go and see, well, first of all, it has to be between 6 and 30 characters long. But even if it was like that, you say it's not allowed and it's going to be taken. So it does have to be unique. So in this case, I could go and type in Rob GuideRealm. Then I can go and press next. And that is available because it's then allowed. But if it isn't, you'll have to go and enter it in until it goes and gets accepted. Now we need to go and enter in a strong password. Make sure you can easily go and remember it, but it's also safe and secure because you will need it when logging into your account, whether that's on your computer or on other devices. So let me go and type in a good secure password. So I'm going to type that in now. And then what you can do is we can go and confirm it. So I'll type that in again. Then what you can do is you can go and press next. And here it is. So now we've been prompted to go and scan this QR code with our phone. This just goes and helps verify that it's a human doing this. So what you can do is go and pick up your phone. Now it's important to go and note, this is much easier than you probably think scanning QR codes. On an iPhone or an Android, you can go and open up the camera app. So I'm going to do that now. And on the camera app, you can then just go and point it at the QR code and you should go and get a pop-up. And then what you can do is you can go and tap on it. It'll be a link. It should go and open up the Messages app on your phone. There may be a permission asked, which you need to go and allow. Then it should open up the Messages app and it will go and have a number at the top and a pre-written message. It'll say something like, send this message without editing with a unique code in there. What you then need to do is go and send that. Now, shortly, it should go and get detected here. Just be patient. After that message has been sent, you now need to be patient. Then when the next step is ready and it's been verified, it's going to go and take you to where you need to go and add a recovery email. This is the address where Google can go and contact you if there's unusual activity in your account or if you go and get logged out. So what you want to do is go and do that. Next, you can start going through the settings. So you can go and choose in one step, which will go and apply one choice to all the settings, or you can do step-by-step choices to each setting. I'll just do choose in one and go and review this. Make sure you agree to it and read it carefully. You then need to go and read through the privacy and terms as well. I've gone through this already, so I understand this. So I'm going to go and agree to it. Make sure you understand it. And you may go and get asked to go and verify your info. So what you can do is go and scan a QR code if you use an Android. You can go and open up the camera app again and scan it, or you can go and use your phone number. So what you can do is just go and type in your number and you'll go and receive a message. And what you then need to do is go and wait for the code to come through. Make sure you type that number in correctly and you use the correct country code as well. Then once you go and get the SMS, just be patient. You can go and enter it in and you can then go and confirm it. And it may go and say something like unlocking access. Then you should go and have your account. Now, depending upon how you did this, you may just be on Google, or if you went and did it in Gmail, you should get brought straight to Gmail. If you're on Google, you can press Gmail in the top right, or just go and search for Gmail and you should be able to go and find it. And then you can go through and set up the smart features to your liking. The smart features can go and make things a bit easier, but if you don't want to use them, you can go and press turn off. You can always go and change the setting later as well, which is really useful. So go through this and then you're going to go and have your new Gmail email account. So you've got that new email and you can then go and start sending emails by pressing compose, check your inbox, and of course you can go and start giving it to people and receiving emails as well. So it's that easy in order to go and create a new Gmail email account. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got loads more guides like this on the channel and loads more to come, so I'm sure we'll be able to go and help you out again. If you've got any suggestions, feel free to go and put them down below. I look forward to reading them and then going through them and seeing if there's anything we can go and help you with.